First, iOS 18 public beta is released now and it is quite stable, so you can install it on your iPhone, and the features are so tempting to make us upgrade to iOS 18 now. Well, then the question is how to install iOS 18 on any iPhone for free. Well, first, if you are looking to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video full and follow the step-by-step guide to upgrade iPhone to iOS 18 for free. Hey folks, myself from Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to install iOS 18 on iPhone for free. And for this, there is no need to install any third-party software or use computer or Mac. We can use our iPhone to install iOS 18. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to install iOS 18 on iPhone for free. First, to install iOS 18 on any iPhone, we can use two methods. First is public beta preview and second is developer program. But before that, let's check out the supported devices. First, here are iOS 18 supported iPhone models. Check if your iPhone is in the list. If that is there, then let's get started with the process to install iOS 18 on iPhone for free. Let's do it via being developer, and for that simply visit developer.apple.com. Scroll down and here we will see iOS 18. Tap on it. This opens a new page. Get ready for iOS 18. Now here tap on download. Next, we are required to sign in using iCloud or Apple ID. Once we are logged in, here comes Apple Developer Agreement. Simply scroll down and down and down. Once we reach end, now tick this box. Tap yes to get notifications for Apple developers and then tap submit. Now this will create Apple developers account and allow us to register for iOS 18 beta. Here it shows the latest iOS 18 beta 3 is available and how we can check for updates to install. Now first, we are ready to install iOS 18 on iPhone. Simply go back to settings and tap general. Next tap software update. Boom, here we have new options. Beta updates, which is off for now. Tap on it. Now here we have options like iOS 18 developer beta and iOS 17 developer beta. Let's select iOS 18 developer beta and then go back. Now here we have the update ready to install. Here it shows some details about iOS 18 beta. Simply tap on update now. It will start with requesting for iOS 18 update and then will start downloading. The package is of around 7 GB, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once iOS 18 upgrade download completes, it starts preparing update. Now, here we are ready to install iOS 18 on iPhone for free. Simply tap install now. Here comes terms and conditions. Tap agree. It starts verifying update and iPhone may reboot 1 or 2 times to complete iOS 18 installation process. Once done, here we are ready. Namaste, software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18.0. So first, finally we have installed iOS 18 on iPhone 12. Tap continue and again we get terms and condition page. Tap agree. Now here we get welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Let me show the current iOS version, and for that open settings and then general. Now tap about. Now see, in iOS version it shows 18.0. Tap to open it. Now here we have the confirmation iOS 18 is installed. So first, that's how easily we can install iOS 18 on any iPhone for free and upgrade iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 18 for free. Now as we are using beta version, we may face issues like battery draining, overheating and more due to iOS 18 beta bugs and problems. And in this situation, we should downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 to iOS 17 or previous stable version. Stay tuned, I will be coming up with a video on how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 to iOS 17 for free. So if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to transfer Android data to iOS without losing data. Looking to back a Safari lock on Android phone? If yes, then this video is for you.